Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacup Tarot. First of all, if my voice sounds a little bit different, it's just because I have a little bit of cold and it's the allergy season, so just forgive me for that. Now, we are back with our messages about what can you expect next when it comes to your life, and I'm really excited about doing this reading. Okay, this is almost like your second week in the new year, and I just want to see what's in store for you. Yeah, I hope you're equally excited. Now, having said that, you have three piles in front of you. Please make sure to pick whichever pile it is that speaks to you, and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you selected pile 1, this is what you can expect for yourself in the upcoming time. Now, as always, we are going to be starting off with our Moonology card, and this week the card for you is Energy is Gaining Momentum. So things are really proceeding in a beautiful manner. In fact, the things that you were hoping for, okay, like your goals, your dreams, your ambitions, they may actually get fulfilled in a much more quicker fashion. So this week is all about speed. So even when it comes to your daily life, do not be really surprised if you find yourself very busy, like occupied at all times. Yeah, but energy, that speed is absolutely gaining momentum for you. One more thing that's important for you is that maybe this week you're very concerned about the way you look. You may be changing your appearance, you may be very particular about the way you look, your public persona, but beautifying things, beautifying yourself, your space, maybe on the cards for you in the upcoming week. Now, of course, we'll take up your tarot, but we still have more cards to come. Okay. So this week, certain patterns are repeating with you. Maybe this is a pattern when it comes to relationship, or maybe the way you react to certain situations. Yeah, but there is a sense of being trapped in your memories, trapped in your patterns, trapped in your habits. Okay, that's something that really needs your attention. But with a little bit of attention on your part and a little bit of strength on your part, you'll be able to really let it go. Yeah, because as a person, you're emerging stronger every single day. And believe it or not, pile 1, you're much more resistant than you give yourself credit for. So once you're sort of done with that pattern, that repetitive thought pattern is what I'm getting here, you will emerge stronger, braver, and much more courageous than usual. There is a lot of emphasis on healing this week, okay? Healing of your emotions this week especially, but in certain cases this can also be your health, okay? But this is like you are sort of hoping and praying for your future to be different, hoping and praying for your future to be brighter than it is currently. So hold on to your dreams, pile 1, because it is our dreams, it is our hope in the future that really makes our present so much more easier. Yeah, so you're very forward moving this week, but of course you are very in that dreamy state is also very possible. But once again, there is some kind of an accomplishment coming, okay? You may sort of like finish a particular project, you may be done with something. In certain cases, you may finish like an educational course, or just get a very good news, okay? Now this news can be about your work especially is what I'm getting up, but something that you'll be proud of, something that will make you shine, something that will make you stand out when it comes to the world, okay? Now, of course, people may recognize your talent this week, or somebody may just come and tell you that they're really proud of you, okay? So that's what's happening for you this week. Now, I also wanted to take one card from your angels for this week. So you're being told that you need to take your power back, okay? So if you have given your power away to patterns, to things that no longer serve you, it is important for you to call those powers back, okay? Be very intentional about the way you want to live in the future, and remember, the more intentionally you live, the more blessings will show up in your life. Now, especially with the energy gaining momentum, you may realize that you need to put much more effort to doing things. So maybe what happens is, certain things that come easily to you, they may take a little bit longer. For example, if normally you get done with the work in half an hour, you may realize you need to put in much more effort towards it. Maybe this is because of certain emotional patterns that are coming through, but sometimes it just could be because that fast pace that is really picking up one way because of the planetary movement may be a little bit too much for you. Yeah, but things are really shifting because the energy is getting momentum. The energy is very strong for you is what is also coming through. Now, what's important for you, pile 1, is this week, especially as much as you can, surrender to the beauty of the natural world. Nature is the biggest healer. So if you need emotional healings, if you need the healing of any kind of pattern, invite Mother Nature to assist you in leaving those patterns is also possible. But spend time with plants, spend time outdoors, taking just sunlight. Even if you just take sunlight, you feel so much better. So just spend time outdoors and look at that. So I also feel like maybe because the energy is so strong, you may want to disconnect for some time. Just disconnect with the world and spend more time with yourself so that you feel a little bit more better than usual. But drinking tea is something that is absolutely suggested for you. I'm also going to shuffle a couple of cards on camera like you guys always enjoy. And I'm going to try and take a couple of tea leaf cards too, just to, give you any additional message. I'll take these two. Dive. You don't find pearls on the seashore. So this week you're essentially being told that don't play it safe. Don't stay indoors. Don't sort of do things that you've normally done. It's important for you to do something different and to try something new in the upcoming week. And also you have safety. Don't be too proud to go back to the shore. So if you feel like you've made a mistake with something, or if you've said something that you now regret, maybe it's still not late to take things back, okay? So once again, with the energy gaining momentum, your emotions going a little bit all over the place, maybe you'll say something and regret. So don't be afraid of saying sorry, okay? That's what's coming through. I'll give you one more and then we'll go on to the rest. Okay, I'll give you. Okay, lots more. Opportunity, you'll prove yourself and discover if you brave the rough seas, okay? So a lot of opportunities may present themselves to you, but you'll have to be a little brave. You have to be a little more courageous for them to actually be realized is what is coming through. And one more, reflect, peer into the endless ocean and see what peers back. And especially with the star card, that really makes sense, This week, I feel like you're going to slow down in some part of the week and reflect on not only your past, but also what you want to do in the future. And I really feel like that will gain you a lot of clarity is something that is really coming forth. I'll give you your tea leaf cards so that we can take any more additional messages for you. Alright, let's see what's coming through for this week. I really enjoy the tea leaf cards, okay? Firstly, because they are tea leaf cards. So, let's see. Fair man, dealings or relationship with a man with blonde, grey or white hair, okay? So, maybe this week you're dealing with a man, a gentleman. And I see this as a gentleman who's slightly older than you. So, you're dealing with this person is going to be important. Yeah, good news. Okay, so you are at the receiving end of some good news this week. So let me know what that good news is. But because you also have the ear card, maybe you should keep your ears open to certain information. Yeah. Bell, announcement. Okay, with the good news and announcement, so something is happening, something is coming up. This could be something as simple as examination announcement of something important, something that you really need to know, but that announcement is coming for you. Okay, marriage. Okay, so for a couple of you, maybe receiving a marriage proposal or attending a marriage, somebody else's marriage, may be on the cards for you this week. Horseshoe, good luck. Okay, so basically this week is really all about good luck. So that's good. You had good news, you had announcement, and you have good luck. That's nice. let's give you your letters and numbers. N, 8, 88. Once again, with the number 88, financially, this is going to be a good week for you. You have R, A, O, D, F. You have 11, 2 angel numbers, A, E. You have an R, M, 15. You have V, I, O, H, 5. You have T and you have E, and you also have T. Okay, so again, you were being told to just have like a cup of tea, so that makes sense. And I also get the message of home. So maybe your home environment is something that is going to be on your mind a lot this week. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. Yeah, and you also have a fan. Okay, so maybe somebody is really admiring you from a distance, and maybe thinking about marriage with you can be possible. Okay, because definitely cannot be denied here. Yeah. And do I have anything else? Can I find something else? Oh, you have ear again. See, you have another ear, so this is like good news. Okay, so this is like really repeating messages. I like that. I really like that. But overall, this is what I'm getting for you right now. As always, I want to wish you with nothing but the best in your life, wherever you are. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, this is what's coming up for you in the upcoming few days. Now, let us start with your Moonology. And the message for you this week is adjustments are required. So if there's something that you're doing that is really important for you, or something to do with your own attitude, adjustments are required. Okay, so this week it's important for you to be a little bit more flexible with your ways than usual. Adapt yourself to circumstances is another message that is coming forth. I get a feeling a lot of things are going to be changing for you this week. Okay, and in certain cases this can be just changes that happen really quickly for you. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. But one thing I have to tell you, this week your intuition is really strong. So if you're intuitively feeling something like, oh, I need to do this, or this should be done, pay attention to it, because your intuition will not lead you astray. But I also get a feeling like you may be on the receiving end of something that you did not know before. Okay, hidden information or secret information, that is also possible. But you are going to be very busy this week, pile 2. Okay, you're balancing too many things together. You've taken up too many responsibilities, so a lot of things on your to-do list, and you have to deal with all of them together. And which is exactly why the message said adjustments are required. So if you're really struggling with carrying out certain responsibilities, why not tweak your schedule a bit, because that will make you very at ease, and things will be really easy for you. But there is a part of the week that you're exclusively dedicating to your hobbies, doing things that you love. Now this could be just sitting down with a book, sitting down with a cup of tea, listening to music, painting, and everything that brings your soul joy. So you're making yourself a priority too sometime in the week. Now, one thing you have to be careful about is, maybe this week you feel like somebody is challenging you, or you believe in something and the other person is like, no, this is not going to work out, I'm not going to agree with this. So a little bit of conflict there is possible. But if you take the high road, if you do not engage in things, and if you adjust your own attitude, the path ahead will be much more simpler. Now, it is also important for you to be gentle with yourself. Okay, like be gentle with your energies, because as I already mentioned at the beginning, the energies are changing a lot. And when energies are changing, being gentle, being a little bit flexible around your schedule is especially good for you. So as much as you can, please do that. And also, Yeah, absolutely. Your communication is going to be absolutely important. So when somebody is trying to tell you something, or somebody is really trying to, say things that are, maybe not very comfortable with you, be nice, be cool, be composed, and just let it go. Don't engage with the situation, is also something that is coming through. Now, I also wanted to take up one card from your angels, and your angels are essentially telling you that you're very powerful. Okay, you are a child of God, so at no point should you forget who you truly are. Yeah, so take your power back, take your energy back, and just know that you're very, very loved in whatever you're doing. You are tremendously loved by two. That's something I'm absolutely going to tell you. Now, this is a message not only from your angels, but this is me giving you this message as well. Whoever you are, wherever you are, even though I've never seen you, I truly, truly love you for who you are, whoever you are. Yeah. The next one is surrender to prayer. So this week it's especially important for you to make time for prayer, because what is happening is the energies are changing, your energies are fluctuating too. So being gentle along with including prayer in your life will actually make your week much more easier and much more beautiful for you. And also, like I told you, your intuition is especially getting very strong. And when our intuition is strong, sometimes we get messages during the daytime. We're just sitting doing our normal things and we get a message. But sometimes prophetic dreams or dreams which bring forth a certain message are also important. But for that the first thing that is important is to get restful sleep. Okay, to get really good amount of sleep, and in that sleep you'll get a dream that will be really, really prophetic. And sometimes if you're struggling with something, why not ask God to send you signs through your dreams? Okay, that's also possible, and that absolutely works. I'll shuffle a few cards for you on camera. Choose wisely, be discerning. You don't have to keep everything in your net. So what you do, what you don't do, that's something you have to decide. So please make sure you choose wisely. And once again, we go back to the message that adjustments are required. Empathy, there's more beneath the surface. So maybe this week you need to be much more kinder than you are with somebody. See, what happens is sometimes we judge people harshly, but we don't really know what is happening in their life. Sometimes people are really struggling, they don't really mention to the world that they're struggling, and that inner struggle comes out in the form of anger towards somebody else, like even if that anger is just absolutely not justified and not necessary. So when we know, or sometimes even when we don't know about these things, empathy can really, really help. It's not easy, it doesn't come for everybody, but if you can, please try and be empathetic towards certain people in your life. Can be a complete stranger, you may never know your story, but just as a human being, be kind. Patience, okay, this week patience is going to be important. And remember something, when time is meant to be, when time is supposed to change, it will change. Till then, you just have to be patient, you have to be gentle with yourself, you have to pray, and just know that God is looking after you. Yeah, God is in your life. Remember that always. You're very, very loved. You're very deeply loved by two. Chance, allow the sea to wash its chest of wonders ashore. You never know what the tide may bring in. So I get a feeling this week something unexpected may happen. Like you were not expecting it, but this may actually end up to be a really, really pleasant surprise for you. Yeah. Life has a tendency of surprising us sometimes, and those are very beautiful times. I'll give you a couple of tea leaf cards for you. You need to protect your energy as well, okay? Your energy needs protection, pile 2. Rainbow, the most difficult part of the situation is over, okay? If there's something that you're going through, which seems like you are, it's on its way out. Just hang in there, okay? Just hang in there. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. Look at that. A change is coming, okay? So you are a caterpillar right now, but that caterpillar will become a beautiful butterfly. Yeah? Don't give up, pile 2. Don't give up. Butterfly, a change for the better. You know, look at this. God is almost giving you a constant message. The things are going to get better, things are going to change, and the worst is over. Yeah? Hang in there, pile 2. Hang in there. I'm with you every step of the way, okay? We'll get through this. Family wishes coming true. So, something relating to your family may actually come true. Candle, you will be shown the way. So if you're struggling with something, if you don't know what the next step is, that step will be shown to you, sometime by an absolute stranger, sometime by God himself through his angels, and sometimes by just a friend, who's always there for you. But a way will be shown. Older woman, dealings or relationship with an older woman. So especially your relationship with an older woman will be especially important for you this week. Alright, but remember, the worst is over. Whatever you're going through, pile 2, I am going to pray for you. Wherever you are in your life, I am going to pray for you. I love you. I really care about your well-being, and we are going to get through whatever you're going through. Trust me, we are. And there is going to be a day when all the things that trouble you today will no longer be a part of your life. And when that day comes, please remember me, come back to me and just leave a smiley that day. Okay? That will make me really, really happy. I'm praying for you and I'm wishing for your success. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you selected pile 2, this is what's coming up for you in the upcoming week. Yeah? So, what is your message for you, pile 3? Let's take a look. Alright, a fiery climax is coming. Pile 3 in the upcoming week. Please be very, very careful about your temper. Don't say things that you will regret later, and just try and remain calm. Okay, see, sometimes anger is necessary. So when you need to be angry, when anger is necessary, of course you need to be angry, but sometimes, calming down and just keeping a grip on your emotions can actually help as well. So you really need to decide according to the circumstances that is in front of you. You have the Hanged Man, you have the Four of Pentacles, you have Two of Swords, you have the Empress. Okay, so this week, the way you look at situations, the way you approach situations may be changing very drastically. Maybe you realize something, or maybe you're like, hold on, I just need to take a step back because I'm just tired. Okay, and then taking the time to reflect, taking the time to contemplate may actually clarify a lot of things for you. Yeah, that's also coming forth. But there is some kind of confusion that is happening in your mind. Okay, you're like confused about what direction to take, what decisions to take, and in fact sometimes you're wondering if you even should take any decision, because you're like, I really don't want to make any changes. I just want to be wherever I am right now and be okay with it. Okay, so this is going to be one of those weeks where you just want to do nothing. Just, chop wood, carry water, do your regular activities and just be okay with it. One of those regular weeks is something that's coming up for you. But whatever decision it is, you cannot stay in the state of indecision for long. So if this is only for this week, take a break, but other than that, get to a decision. Yeah, but I also get a feeling like you are going to be taking care of yourself a lot this week. Maybe you're going to give yourself what you need, you're going to relax, you're going to eat good food, you may go out with friends or family and just overall relax in the abundance that you have, relax in the way your life is right now. That's coming forth. Okay, and also I get a feeling like, emotionally you guys are trying to arrive at a good place. This week it's like you are getting there, okay, but you're not completely there. But with the Empress showing up in your reading, I feel like once you go into that Zen-like state, things will be easier for you. Yeah, just be careful about your temper, that's all. Okay, now I really get it, See, the reason why you don't want to make any changes is because in the past couple of weeks, you've given your power away. Okay, it's all over the place right now. Like your energies are dispersed in multiple directions. And this week, the reason why you're slowing down, the reason why you are calming down a little bit is because there is a great need for you to center yourself, and that is what you're going to be doing. Okay, you're going to call your energy back, you're going to settle in with that energy, and grounding, if that is something you can do, that will be really, really helpful for you. So getting centered, getting realigned towards your mission is also coming forth. Now, along with that, you have physical activity. Okay, now maybe for a couple of you, you may start a physical activity. This could be yoga, or this could be the gym, or you may decide that you want to do so, or sometimes this could just mean that you're really, really active in that week, and in which case physical activity could just be running around doing multiple things, but definitely you're moving about a lot this week. Now, energy wise, you guys are very sensitive, okay? Extra sensitive at that. So, then in which case, anger is very justified. When you're very sensitive, we tend to get angry or irritable at very little things, and that is exactly what may be happening to you. So, your emotions are in overdrive, but remember, honor your emotions. Let them come, deal with them, process them, and then do, whatever is most appropriate after that. And also, this week you're being told surrender to effortlessness. Look how similar the Hanged Man is to this card, okay? So this is just upside down and she is like looking up. But either way, you need to surrender. You need to go with the flow and not try and force anything. Definitely not a week to make changes. Definitely not a week to try harder. It's a time to hibernate. It is a time to relax, breathe, take it easy, and act according to your own energies. Okay? And music can be especially very helpful for you. And something, music is especially beneficial when it comes to sensitivity, emotional behavior. Yeah. So please ensure you're making music a part of your life in the upcoming week. Whichever instrument you like. Okay? Tell me which your favorite instrument is, and we'll talk about that, because I love instruments. And for me right now, I'm really into listening to djembe. Djembe makes me feel like really pumped up and really excited. So that's what I'm into currently. Perseverance, stay the course. So even though you may feel like you don't want to make any changes, keep walking one step at a time on the path that you're currently walking on. So don't make any drastic decisions, just one step at a time. That's all. But don't give up, okay? Don't surrender in terms of quitting. Yeah? Dream, follow your yearning for the deep blue sea. So basically, it's time to follow your dreams. Whatever it is that you want, whatever do you want to achieve, follow your dreams. Go in that direction. So dream is the message for you. Protection, keep some aquamarine clothes. Okay, so your energy needs protection, especially because you are in a very limbo sort of a state, in which case protect your energies by using aquamarine if you can, or if not, any other crystal that you really, really relate to, you can use that. For me personally, my personal protection stone is turquoise. I feel really safe when turquoise is around. Explore, maps show what has already been discovered, go another way. So especially when it comes to your life, if you've been doing things in a repeated manner, now you're being told, don't do things that you've already done. Do something different, something that you've not done, one thing that you've already not done. So that's what's coming through for you. And I'm also going to give you a couple of tea leaf cards so that you get the messages, some extra. Okay, let's see what's coming for you. Okay, what do we have? Money path, a path with money is waiting for you to find it. So explore a new financial path, explore a new career option, or explore a new way of making money is also a message for you. And happiness. Okay, so it's going to be a happy week overall. Emotional, but definitely happy. Definitely some planets acting up. Saturn, my dear Saturn, my favorite Saturn is one planet. Coins, money will be coming to you. So financially, definitely a very rewarding week, and victory in some endeavor. So you're clearly winning at something, even though you may not be doing anything much. Yeah. So winning is on the cards for you. I'll give you one more or two more. Let's see how many come. Okay, Okay, I have a lot many, but I'm going to take them. You will receive a gift. So a gift may be on the way. Older man, dealings or relationship with an older man is on the cards. Work, achievement, success. Okay, that's really nice. Working hard especially. Elephant, a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Now that's very crucial, okay? So this journey of reflection, this journey of limbo can actually be like a physical journey, like you may travel for it, or sometimes a mental journey. But remember, at the end of this week, you're going to learn a lot and you're going to emerge much more wiser than you are right now. Horse, short journey once again. So travel is on the cards for you. I'll give you your letters and your numbers for this week. Okay. 23 R A C 20 19 E A Z V G. Number 3 U E R X. Reflection on your past relationships is also possible, or thinking about them at least. You have far. Okay, you have far. So traveling again can be possible. You have T. You have a blank tile, so you can use it to fill up whatever it is that you want to. You have R, lot of R's. You have 8, again Saturn, and you have A once again. Yeah, you have Arya. Is there an Arya watching me? And there's Faria as well. Okay, so overall these are the messages that I'm getting for you when it comes to your upcoming week. As always, I want to wish you the very best, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.